Miguel. Cooking with Miguel. Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Miguel on Como Miguel. Today we're gonna make Frickles. Have you ever been hungry for bar food, but you're stuck drinking at home with your friends because you've got kids? Well, today we're gonna teach you how to make Frickles. The first thing you're going to do is heat your oil to medium high. Then you're gonna start your breading. I've got about 2 cups of flour and a cup of cornmeal. And then I'm gonna put a little Creole seasoning. A little. Is that good? That's pretty good, I think. Then I'm gonna stir it up like this. We'll call it a Creole Lady marmalade. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna call it that. But I am gonna stir it. I've cracked 6 eggs into a bowl and I'm going to beat them with a fork. Because I know everybody has one of those and I want everybody able to be able to do this. First, you're gonna make sure that your oil is 350 degrees. And that's perfect. Now, I'm going to take one of these pickles and first put it into this powder and make sure it gets coated good, like so. And then, right into the egg. And then, back into the powder. And then into the pan. Once they're golden brown, like that, you take them out and put them on a paper towel to drain some of the grease. Next, I'll show you how to make a mustard dill dip that's tasty to dip your Frickles in. Now we're gonna make a delicious mustard dill dip that makes Frickles taste delicious. You put about a half a cup of sour cream and about a teaspoon of mustard. And then give the dill a good shake. You can never have enough dill.
Yummy.
Dill dip, dill dip, dill dip, dill dip. Now that I've made my dip, I'm gonna plate it up on this blue plate for a beautiful summertime look. Okay. Frickles. Frickles. If it gets too hot in the kitchen, keep a towel close so you can blot the sweat from your beautiful face. That's a pro tip. First, you need to turn on your oil to hot.